So, reason number one is as dementia progresses, people lose their ability to connect with the world around them. And to counter this, themed box objects can produce positive memories. And it can bring comfort and ease to people with dementia. Tip number two is that studies show that a healthy social life actually boosts cognitive health. So, when putting your seniors at a table in a group, this connects everyone. What a better way to get conversation than to use a memory box? Be sure and find out what your seniors' interests are. So, when you're creating these memory boxes, you know which kind are going to be the most effective for your group of seniors. When you are putting these memory boxes together, you can actually get like trunks. You can use plastic storage containers. You can go to the Dollar Tree and get those little boxes that are like stackable. If you're wanting to go for a more authentic vintage theme, you can definitely ask family members if they want to donate maybe a vintage suitcase or any vintage items for the cause. You can check Facebook Marketplace if you're looking for vintage suitcases. A lot of times you'll find them really cheap. Tip number three is that memory boxes can involve many of the senses if you want them to. It's great for seniors with dementia to use more than one sense. You can use elements of sound, touch, smell. I'll give you an example of using the sound. So I created a kitchen memory box, as I'm going to show you. And I was able to go on YouTube and find a video where they play kitchen noises and sounds. So I thought it would be great for the seniors to guess what these noises are. All right, let's go to a demonstration with Agnes and show you just some ways that you could interact with your seniors while doing this activity. So I've got this really fun kitchen sensory kit that I think you're going to like. Didn't I hear that you used to do baking and cooking? Yeah, I did. Well, then you are just really going to enjoy this. So, I've got this memory box called In the Kitchen. Let's see what kind of items we've got in there that you can check out. Oh, wow. Yeah, we've got all kinds of things in here. So, I'm going to pull some of these out and you can look at them and just see what they are. Like some of them, I just may need you to tell me what they are because I'm just not that sure. Maybe. Like all of these, some of these look really old, don't they, Agnes? Oh, wow, I haven't seen one of those in a long time. Are you talking about this one? So what is it? It's a beater. Well, they don't make them like this anymore. Pretty neat. Wow, wooden spoons. Did you have these in your kitchen? And if you did, how would you wash them? Because you really can't put them in a dishwasher. Well, that's true. You just have to wash them with some soap and just wash them in your sink. And I wonder, wow. Did you used to wear an apron when you were cooking? Yes, well, as you can see, I have an apron on right now. Now, what's the purpose of an apron? Well, it just keeps your clothes clean. So we got cookbooks in here. I'll let you look through in a little bit. What about these flashcards here? Oh my, that is a colorful kitchen. Look at that picture. What are some of the things that you had in your kitchen? So Agnes, I've got these things I think you might enjoy smelling. So this one right here. Let's see if you can guess what it is without me telling you. It starts with the letter C. It's something used in your kitchen. Do you know what it would be? It's cinnamon. So what kind of things did you use cinnamon for in your kitchen? When making your memory box, just make sure the items are safe. We know that sometimes seniors with dementia may put things in their mouth. I did a project with buttons one time in crafts, and one of the residents picked up the button and put it in the mouth, and that was a big deal. We had to get those out of there. So you really got to be careful about the items, that they have on the table or in the boxes. And then, if they're too heavy for them to pick up, or if they might have a sharp edge, just things like that, we already know. So just have to avoid heavier, sharp items too. Also, the items should be easy for them to just handle in general too. You can go to the description of this video if you want to get a link to my memory boxes, PDFs in my Etsy shop. Please consider giving a thumbs up if you got some valuable information out of it. Consider subscribing if you like to get videos like this. Thank you for joining me, and we'll see you next time.